Okay, take a look at the ULIBERMAGNET double layer magnetic hooks. So we got our two big magnets and we've got our hooks. Now what's cool about this is that this kind of forgoes the standard back plate that you usually find with hooks like this. So this actually has a hole in the center. It's going to be more useful for this because the magnet is going to go right on the center. That is definitely a strong magnet. So this makes a lot more sense than just having that plate on the top and the bottom. It's just going to kind of help to keep everything straight. Nice long hooks on here. They do have a rubber coating, and this will allow us to hang from two different levels. So these are the magnets. It's nice that they put a little plastic disc in there to make sure that they are going to stay separated. We got stainless steel screws, and we know because they do not stick to those magnets. And it's good that they gave us an extra one because I already dropped one. So looking at the indentation, you can see a large row of those strong neodymium magnets, and then on the back it is a female thread. What's great about that is that we can use this for basically whatever the heck we want to, and because it's female threaded, depending on the thickness of the plate or whatever we're attaching to it, we can just adjust the bolt to adapt to that instead of having a stud sticking out like some of these magnets do. So this is my preferred way to get magnets. And these are nice and big boys too. So I'll just drop my screw on there and thread the magnet onto the back. There we go. So that should stick to pretty much anything. And that is what it should look like when it's done. Yeah, those are very nice hooks. And I really like the double hook design just because you can fit a lot more stuff on here than you can with a single pair of hooks.